Hi everyone, welcome to Evie's Toy House. Today we're making a Miraculous Ladybug custom. We're going to be taking Flash Sentry here and turning him into the Evillustrator from the Miraculous Ladybug. So the Evillustrator is a pretty cool villain, so let's get started. So we're going to keep Flash Sentry's body, but we're going to be using Rainbow Dash's head. And this is because her hair is a lot more similar to the Evillustrator's. We're going to start by removing her side bangs on both sides of her face. And then we're going to cut her hair short. Then taking some air dry clay, we're going to fill in the gap in her head. Then with a few strips of clay, we're going to add some hair back in. Taking a round piece of clay and flattening it, we're going to be making the Evillustrator's hat. Alright, with all the clay work done, we're now ready to paint his face. We're going to paint it a light purple shade. I've drawn in his mask already, so we're just going to paint around the mask area. Once the skin tone is in, we're going to reshape the eyes with some white. And then paint in the rest of his mask. With the mask done, we're going to work on the eyes. We're going to make his eyes blue. Then add the black. And dot it with the white. Now we're ready for the hair. So the Evillustrator's hair is orange. We're going to start by painting his hair orange all over. Then we're going to come back in and darken the tips with a dark reddish orange. Now we're going to paint his hat black. For the body, I'm going to first paint a coat of white over it first. Then we're going to paint his top shirt white. For his bottom, we're going to start by painting his shoes red. Then I'm going to paint in some black and blend the two colors together, so it's going to be a reddish black. And then we're going to come back in and add some orange on top of the red. And then we're going to blend all three colors together. Now that we have the gradient that we want on the lower portion of his legs, we're going to paint the black on the upper part of his legs. Now we're ready to put in the designs on his shirt. I'm going to start with a black circle. And then draw in the black lines. So we need to make all these lines connect from the sides to the back. And also down his arms. And finally, as a final touch, we're going to add the 3 primary colors on his chest. Alright everyone, so here is my completed Evillustrator. Look at him, I really love the way his mask turned out. So he has a purple face with a black mask on, and it looks really cool against his kind of orange, reddish orange hair. The other part that I really like about him is his outfit. He has one of the coolest outfits, I think, of all the villains. It has this really cool shirt with the buttons on there, or rather the lights maybe, and these lines are really cool. And then he has a very contrasting white shirt with the dark bottoms, and his bottoms are kind of a blended black to reddish orange gradient. I'm glad I mixed the red in with the orange. I think if it was too orange, it would just kind of match his hair and I wouldn't look as good. But since this is more red than orange and his hair is more orange than red, it looks a little bit better. So he also has his tablet here. He is making some music for his date with Marinett, which I think is kind of sweet of him, right? He is just a boy in love and just wants to be with Marinett. What's wrong with that, right? So let me know down below in the comment section what you think of my Evillustrator from Miraculous Ladybug. And if you guys like my customs from Miraculous Ladybug, I have a whole lot for you to check out. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!